Today we're going to look at this Portland Electric 1.5 peak horsepower pole saw. It's got a few branches that we need to cut off, and bought this one at Harbor Freight, but they do have them available, similar models available on Amazon. We'll take a look and see what's in the box and then show you how to use it. The easiest way to get this out is just on the end. You just break the box at the end and just go ahead and slide it out. As you can see, it's pretty much all put together. There's really not a whole lot you need to do. When you open it up, it'll have a zip tie on the end. You just cut that off. Then you just go ahead and slide it out. And you'll have the owner's manual right here. You can just go ahead and cut the zip tie. And then inside you've got looks like you've got an Allen wrench. I'll go ahead and open this up, see what else we've got in here. Well, that's the chain. So looks like you'll have to put the chain on. Inside here, really where you install the chain. There's the bar. And then you can see on here, you can extend this out and just twist it to tighten it up, but it's got a real nice long extension. Just twist it again and you slide it back in. It's really nice. And then you just go ahead and tighten it up. And here you'll have, this is where you're going to insert the this blade. This will go in here, and I'll show you how to do that. And we'll have to put the chain on it, but we'll go ahead and do that in a minute. And there you have it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.